Tesla is building one of the world's largest supercharging stations at Giga Shanghai. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and now let's get back to the details. So the video that we are watching right now shows that Tesla is building a supercharging station at Giga Shanghai that might end up being the world's largest supercharging station. We can see from the video that an already built unit has 32 charging piles. Once the construction of the other unit is completed, there will be 64 charging piles. At present, Tesla's world's largest supercharging station is in China. Beijing, Guangzhou and Shanghai all have supercharging stations that can accommodate 50 cars. If Tesla's Shanghai factory is building a charging station for 64 cars, it will set a new record.